Hi friends, today I have LG brand direct drive 7 kg 6 motion washing machine. The customer complaint is machine not rotating. Just we will check what was the problem exactly. And first of all we have to on the power, and we can test Q test mode also, but we'll check first spin. I'm selecting spin 1000 rpm and start pause. Machine should run now. The machine not rotating. The drain motor running continuously. Yes, drain motor is working, but drum not rotating. That's mean having problem with the DD motor or hall sensor. Let me check what was the problem exactly. Again we will try again through the Q test, and I'm selecting Q test. It's like this, 3 together. No, it's not rotating. Okay, let me check what was the problem exactly. First of all, we have to remove the back cover. We have to remove the back cover. Now we have to remove the stator nut. This is 17 number. We have to remove first this one. After that we have to take it out the rotor. We have to remove like this, and this one. Okay, this one hole sensor not available. First we remove this one. And it is something happen actually. It is broken here. This damage, winding damage. We have to do now, we will try to this one damage point. Now it's already we soldering. Now we will check again. Spin. Yes, now it is okay, it's working.
Good.